Hello and welcome to YouTrip Podcast. We are coming to you live today from Saturday 2026 Yashobhumi, right at the heart of India's biggest travel and tourism marketplace. Today, we are talking to one of our hotel partners to understand what is shaping the hotel industry this year, from guest booking to the experiences to everything that is changing nowadays. Let's begin. All right. So to begin with, please tell us something about yourself, your name, your property's name, and the city that you're located in.
Well, anyway, my name is Andy. I work as a director of sales and distributions, as a commercial director in the Anvaya Beach Resort Bali. And I think that the Anvaya Beach Resort Bali is located in Kuta. It
Okay.
is a beachfront property, a five-star, 500 rooms with a very strategic locations. I think it is have a very good reputations in India market, and India market itself plays a big roles in our travel industry right now.
All right. So, Andy, what makes your property different from other properties in the same region?
Well, the same region, we are the biggest property in terms of the inventory in the area, and we have the biggest ballroom with
Okay.
a direct access to the beach. And what makes it really different is that we are a beach resort property. So there's a lot of people, if you know the area of Kuta and Nusa Dua. So we are located in Kuta, but it
Okay.
feels like Nusa Dua.
All
So it
right.
a peaceful. So we stand out. Our name as
Okay.
Anvaya means a peaceful connection.
All right. All right. Okay. So, what, according to you, attracts Indian travelers to your property?
Location, location, location.
All right.
So
Okay.
well, around the area, there's a lots of attractions that are match with the needs of Indian customer. Like there's plenty of Indian restaurant close to Waterboom, close to
Okay.
water sport. Basically, the main center of the area.
Okay. What season performs the best for your property, especially from India?
Especially from India. Well, I would say me personally, I like the month of July and August
Okay.
because that is not so hot, like 25, 26 degrees all day, all
Okay.
night. So it
Okay.
was very perfect with the ocean
It's quite
breezes.
pleasant, you would say.
It's very pleasant.
Okay.
Yes,
All
yes,
right. All
yes.
right. So, are there any specific curated experiences that you can create for your guests on their special occasion?
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, like if I speak for Bali, there is a lots of things that you can do in Bali.
Okay.
Well, let you stay that you stay 7 days in Bali, so you try different area which will serve you a different experiences.
Okay.
And yeah, that's what I would like to suggest.
Okay, all right. Now, after some really insightful questions, we have our rapid fire round where I would expect you to keep the answers short, crisp, and you can also add humor and wit if you want.
Yep,
All right, let's go. What matters more? Is it the location or the quality of service?
quality of service,
Okay, what is one thing that is non negotiable in room experience?
cleanliness,
Okay, what room feature do your guests notice first?
comfort, the beds.
Okay, is the Indian market more volume driven or value driven?
Same, same. I would say, yeah,
Okay.
everyone expect value.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
All right. All right. Okay. So, what would you prefer, luxury travelers or budget travelers?
luxury,
Okay. How about guest reviews? Do they act as motivation or do they act as pressure?
motivation, definitely.
All right. If I talk about dynamic pricing, is it a smart move or is it a risky game?
It's a smart move because it's relate to the resource that we are using. It's an easier. I would say the accessibility to the customer is easy.
All right. If I ask about peak season, peak tourism season for your property, is it thrilling for you or is it exhausting for you?
Definitely exhausting.
All right. Now, one last question. How would you describe your property in one word?
Elegance.
All right. So, thank you so much for speaking with us today, Andy. And I hope that the viewers who are watching this, especially from the hotel industry, I hope that they get something to learn and something insightful, something knowledgeable to learn from our discussion here at SATI 2026. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you
It's my
so much.
pleasure.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.